Stir. Stir the risotto constantly to prevent it from sticking. Sauté. Sauté the onions and garlic in olive oil until they are translucent. Feel. Feel the dough to check if it's soft and elastic. Melt. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Spread. Spread the peanut butter evenly on the bread. Break. Please break the eggs into a bowl and whisk them. Add. Add the spices to enhance the flavor of the dish. Roll out. Roll out the dough to make thin pizza crust. Layer. Layer the lasagna sheets with the meat sauce and cheese. Mix. Mix the dry ingredients with the wet ones to make the batter. Fry. Fry the chicken in hot oil until it turns golden brown. Grate. Grate the cheese over the pasta for extra creaminess. Bake. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 10 minutes. Taste. Taste the soup to adjust the seasoning to your liking. Whip. Whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Cut. Cut the cake into equal-sized slices. Chop. Chop the vegetables into small pieces for the stir fry. Slice. Slice the cucumber thinly for the salad. Roast. Roast the chicken at 400 F until it's cooked through. Diced. Add the diced tomatoes to the simmering sauce. Steam. Steam the vegetables until they are tender. Boil. Boil the pasta in salted water until al dente. Drink. Drink a glass of water while waiting for the food to cook. Barbecue. Barbecue the ribs on the grill until they are charred and tender. Cook. Cook the steak to your desired level of doneness. Serve. Serve the soup with a garnish of fresh herbs. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.